What up, beautiful? Why y'all hiding your faces, girl? For the birthday.
We all somebody was talking about me.
I hate y'all.
Hiding
You're
their
not gonna
faces.
be able to keep up.
Hiding their faces in here, bro. Shit, bro. It's
I
all
was
right.
about to say the fuck on your head.
It's all right. What?
That was the thing from the light.
Oh yeah.
And y'all got flies in y'all kitchen?
Nah, it be gnats, so you gotta keep that. Like, you know, it's that gnat season, that time of the year when the gnats pop up. You gotta keep that.
How often do y'all change
Don't
it?
ask about my kitchen. Let me see your kitchen.
I'm just saying, shit. You got the gnat thing right there.
I was saying it's that time of the season, like, you know, they just pop up out of nowhere.
Like they got bugs.
I don't got no kitchen.
She said fruit flies.
It's that time of the year. You know what I mean? You gotta stay ready, not get ready. Stay ready.
You're not finna kick Tank out.
I'm about to.
It's not normal. It is normal. What the fuck?
No, she said it is normal.
Who don't? Yeah, that's normal shit. Who don't get gnats and fruit flies? Nigga, we don't ask for them. They just pop up.
He said, "Scream, let him in."
Who said that?
He told you to drop, nigga.
He said, "Take me in."
Who said that?
No.
Who said that?
She said put vinegar in a jar with some Dawn soap.
I mean, you could do that too. It's different ways, but or you could just go buy one of these.
So you can just buy one of these.
Or you just buy one of these. So.
Thank you. DJ, what you laughing at, nigga?
It's a thought.
Last night in here.
Put some deodorant on the coochie. How you know we be doing that?
You do that?
No, fool.
You got hair?
No, this motherfucker bald.
Hair hose smell. I'm gonna say hair hose smell.
No.
These two.
Look, I don't like hair.
You don't like hair?
No, on the coochie.
That shit stink.
Hair hose smell, bro.
That's why you gotta keep it bald.
Wife don't that shit.
Like something. That hair be
But you know they be saying that a bald coochie is a busy coochie. Is that true?
Hell yeah.
Hair be smelling like something.
That's fucking.
What?
What coochie?
If your shit stay bald 24/7, you be fucking.
Well, whatever.
Every 4 weeks.
You can't tell me what you saving for.
You said what?
If you ain't fucking, what you say?
Who the fuck wants that hair on their coochie?
You don't want that smell.
I gonna get my shit waxed.
Yeah, you be fucking
every 3 to 4 weeks.
Let me see.
Every 4 weeks.
That nigga said, "Let me see." He got a little peach fuzz right now.
They be fucking.
What's not true?
Beautiful dude for sure.
Wait, beautiful for sure got what?
They be fucking.
Beautiful for sure be getting hit.
No, the fuck I don't. For 5 minutes.
She about to go up.
Tell a bit for 5 months.
I told you.
He don't believe you.
I don't know why I don't.
Yeah, right.
Cool. I'm gonna give me a bitch.
Listen, that's what the people be saying. That a bald coochie is a busy coochie. I don't give a fuck what they say.
Hell yeah.
No,
yeah, if a nigga keep a haircut, you can show fuck it.
A bald coochie. A bald coochie. Good coochie. That's good coochie.
That's good coochie.
Don't nobody want ass pussy
because it's bald.
It's too hot.
I don't like landing strips. I don't like landing strips. Fuck that landing.
Why you don't want the landing strip? That's guiding you where to go.
Hell no.
Hair hose. You hear what I said? Hair hose smell. Like,
I don't need no.
But it's not that much hair.
I don't like smell. Like I don't like
it's
smell.
It's only a thin line. It's a thin line.
I don't like smell though. Like nothing like. I don't like smell. Like it's supposed to smell like.
She clean. She
ain't clean with no landing strip.
No, I'm talking about your
friend on me.
The landing strip.
So that landing strip, that mean they not clean?
That landing strip got dandruff, bro. So
it's cool.
Fuck that landing
Not
strip.
dandruff.
Fuck that landing strip. You just know.
Wow.
There's no need. Like, why? What's
He
the
said
point of it?
Velcro.
There's no need. Like, what's the point? Like,
So he
beautiful
said
got
they
the
doing
landing
this
strip.
shit.
Beautiful, you got the landing strip.
Huh?
You got the landing strip.
Hell
You
yeah, she
do.
having it right
She
now.
got, she got the
Now
landing
she's
strip.
shaving it right now.
She is now that I said something, but she got the landing strip.
I'm going on a whole day. I'm doing my hair.
Nah, you shaving that landing strip.
No, I'm doing my hair.
Where the fuck you going?
Let me see.
I got a date.
Damn,
Like
hold
now?
up, double. Wait, hold on, double. I got this, my nigga. Hold on, double. Like, chill, double. I got this, my nigga.
I got
My nigga,
this.
my nigga double come right in. Like, man, like, hold on, chill, double.
Beautiful. You see DJ trying to go in?
I can't see the comments. They went fast.
Hold up. Let me see. You got to refresh.
Hey,
Like,
wipe that nigga. Let me the moderator. DJ gonna be going.
You got PTR. You got PTR. Let me see.
What's PTR?
Pull to refresh. Pull to refresh.
She said they going
What is
too
that?
fast.
I know you got pull to
Beautiful.
refresh.
When is your date?
Huh? Girl, I'm
When is
going
your
to take
date?
my ass to bed. I got work at 3 o'clock.
Girl, you full
Wait,
of shit.
hold on, double. Wait, hold on, double. Back up, nigga. That nigga double all over. Like, bro, hold on. This my work, double. Hold on, working on this. Like, let me work, my nigga. Let me work. Nigga, double want to get right on beautiful. Like, you know? Come right in, right on beautiful. Like, get the other one, my nigga. Like, you know.
They just mad because
No.
Nah, serious shit. Get the other one. Like, how you gonna come in right on my good?
No,
Like, you on the one I want. Like, bro, chill. Like, nigga, you right on my work.
That nigga said, get the other one.
Why am I smoking
Who
alarm?
burning shit?
My shit keep going off for no reason, bro. That shit, I'm finna take the battery out.
Take the
That
battery
shit,
out.
it just keep going on, bro. That shit annoying.
Reset it. It's probably sensing something.
I keep doing it. It just keep going on.
That nigga fire alarm zesty. The signals and
Hi,
shit.
Yak.
yeah.
That motherfucker keep going on
The
for no
battery.
reason.
Yeah,
It's
I'm
for
gonna say you
no
gotta get a new
reason.
battery. You gotta get a new battery.
That's what it is. I hate
Yeah.
smoking alarm. I don't even, bro. I hate the motherfucker. Oh God, in my earlier life, that motherfucking battery was dead forever, nigga. They used to always be like, change your smoking alarm battery. I don't give a fuck about that shit, nigga.
No, just change it. Get a new battery.
I don't want to, bro. They supposed to come do that. Like, I don't do that. I don't got time to be changing batteries and shit.
Well, call them and tell them come change that shit.
Shit, I'm embarrassed.
Who is double cocky writer?
Oh, my nigga Double, he all over beautiful. Tell him
He not on
chill.
there no more because of what you said.
Who you on? Who you on now? He on you?
I don't know who they on.
That's my nigga Double.
That nigga said you really Eastside ugly.
Oh God, he said that shit. That nigga said, "So you really Eastside ugly." He said, "This ain't no looking club."
Oh, light skinned ass nigga. Like, he would, like, man, light skinned nigga would say that. Or light skinned, good hair having ass nigga. I don't know. My shit longer than yours.
Comments be going.
My shit longer than yours, dude. Double, my shit longer than yours, dude.
So, what you do today?
Get some money.
Sounds about right.
No, serious shit. I already made some money today. Like, I made some money.
I'm just sick. Sounds about right.
Oh, God. That's all I did. We got some little barbecue.
You ain't had no barbecue?
I did. I ain't ate it yet, though. I got a place
Where the
right
fuck
here.
this nigga Rosecrans so ugly ass say?
He
Who
told
is
you
that?
earlier to come get your food.
No, that nigga DM me and said he was on his way. That was an hour ago. I don't even live that fucking far. Fuck, bitch.
Who is that? Rosecrans. Rosecrans. I think I know who that is. He from West Side?
Yeah.
Campanella.
Cabanilla. I think I know who that is.
Mm-hmm. Okay, DJ and Pretty and
What's wrong
Childish
with
got some
you?
shit going on. Skull look like them Predator helmets. What's a Predator helmet?
Wait, Skull look
Hit
like
'em.
what? Wait, Skull look like what? Go back.
A
You got pin
Predator helmet.
The Predator
it. Pin
helmet.
it. You got pin it. Pin it. What's wrong with you?
You want me to pin it?
Yeah, pin it.
That nigga want to see who said it.
What's wrong with you? Look.
Why she read that?
Wait, let me see. Skull look like the Predator. Ah, bro, you goofy shaped ass nigga. Like, bro, depth. Like, bro, you uncomfortable built ass nigga. Like, bro, look at that fat ass man chest.
Wait,
Like,
uncomfortable build? What that look
uncomfortable built ass with that fat ass man breast with the man breast. Bro. Like,
like?
Dep, you got man boobs, bro. Like, that's like, bro, come on, bro. You uncomfortable built, my nigga. You like Pillsbury Doughboy ass in the wrong places, bro. Like, like shit.
Wait, SB gonna say goofy shape?
Nah, that nigga got man meat in the wrong places. Like, chill, Dep.
You said man meat? He
Man
got man
meat,
meat?
nigga got man meat in the wrong places. Like, chill,
She
bro.
got wiped again?
They be kicking beautiful. She don't even do nothing. Oh God.
He said, who we got?
Get that nigga in here. Like, get Dep in here. Dep want to talk. Said Boskoe look like the Predator.
Tell him
Get
to
that nigga in here.
request.
Like, bro. Get that nigga up in here, bro.
She came in swinging her PG. He got to send a request. There's so many people to go through.
It ain't letting me. It's because I'm on here. I ain't gonna lie. Instagram be hating like
They said that's that male birth control.
Real nigga, you got that's that estrogen, my nigga.
Wait.
My nigga, too much estrogen in your diet. You gotta get that. It's certain foods that promote estrogen in your diet, bro. Like you gotta eat you gotta take that shit out your diet. It's a few foods that are surprisingly serious shit. You eat foods every day that promote estrogen in your body, my nigga. That's why you niggas be having man boobs and big stomach and hips.
Big stomach and hips.
Hips and shit.
Hi.
You cute. You like low
Why
key.
he don't want to call?
You just need your hair. You just need your hair done. You low key cute though.
You need your hair done too.
Oh God, I need my shit done. That's why I took it out.
We both need our hair done.
I'm finna get my shit done tomorrow though. Is you? I'll get my shit.
I'll take his ponytail out tomorrow.
Is you?
My shit.
I'm not getting it done tomorrow. I'll take his ponytail out for sure.
My shit gonna be done tomorrow though. Oh, I only took it out because I gotta wash it.
I'm glad you're getting yours done tomorrow.
Thank you.
He don't want to get in the box.
Cause he's scared.
Hey, that nigga zesty. He said big butt boy.
I didn't even say it, but I wanted to. I didn't say it though. I didn't say it though.
Wait, who said that?
It don't matter, like, bro, like, that's stating the observation, bro. Niggas can't never be mad at niggas like, bro, that ain't nothing my fault. Niggas gonna be mad at niggas stating the observation, like, bro, ain't my fault you got big ass. like, I'm wondering why, like, bro, why?
It ain't my fault you. I'm not even about to play.
Oh God. That's fucked up, man.
That nigga Deb Googling jokes right now.
I would hate to be like, I would hate for a nigga to tell me I had a big butt. Like, that's a fucked up to be a big butt boy. Like why you talking about my butt? Why your ass big? Though? Like, what you talking about? Why is it big?
This nigga stupid. Oh, you got white.
I didn't even know I was back.
Why you got so much dough in your dumbass, man?
Oh, not in a donut.
My nigga got dough. That nigga let his dough rise too.
This nigga so stupid.
You let your dough. Why I keep kicking fucking beautiful? Oh god. That's annoying. Oh god. My nigga let it. Oh, orange chicken. Get orange chicken here, baby. That's the other baby. Oh god.
Crystal, send a request.
Orange chicken is Crystal. Oh, Crystal with a K. Oh god, yeah, I forgot about that. Why you be looking so serious all the time? Smile. You looking.
Oh, what's the name? Want to get back in the box?
Why you look so serious? Smile. We don't need another nigga. We need some more.
He trying to shoot his shit at you. There you
go.
Hey, you talking too zesty, my nigga. You gotta chill out, bro.
You got too much dough, my nigga.
I gotta, hey, you know damn well, nigga, I ain't got nothing back there, bro. Don't be talking about me like I'm 40.